Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now, this is the video of Perceptron demo. Now in this, I am going to show you about Perceptron. This is just an introductory video on Perceptron, right? And we will learn in depth of it in our upcoming video. So today we will just have a look on what is Perceptron. Now see here, perceptron is the simplest type of artificial neural network representing a binary classifier that maps into features to an output, right? It forms the building block for more complex neural, right? And if you see here, structure of perceptron, the structure of perceptron is divided into three parts. We can say input layer. Each input xi is multiplied by corresponding weight w, right? And there are no hidden layers in a simple perceptron. A weighted sum is the sum of the multiplication of all, like w1 x1, w2 x2 up to wn xn n number. And b is the bias here, right? And here is the activation function. Now, perceptron learning rules, you have to learn this first. Eta is the learning rate, Y is the actual label, Y prediction is the predicted label, and Xi is the input feature. And you can see here, this is a sample function, right? It's a code sample. Now, let me show you in depth. So first of all, what I'm going to do here, I'm making a new copy of interactive Python notebook, okay? Right? Now, interactive Python notebook. So now, first of all, we will, what we are going to do first, we will import all the libraries here and like this way. And here, one more thing that I need to do here is, okay, okay. Now see here. Here, what I have done here, first of all, I have imported all the important libraries. Then I have taken here two tensors, X tensor and Y tensor. Tensor is just an array. I will release some more important videos on tensor in upcoming videos, right? So don't worry about that. Right now, tensor torch, right? Tensor is just an array, just like that. Here we have written a class, right? And then just hit enter button. Then what I need to do, we have to run the epochs. Epochs means it's a repetition, number of repetition. So in order to get the prediction, what we have done here, epoch equal to 1000, the number of times the model will see the entire data set, right? Then here you will see we have extracted all the information, right? And then we will see the predictions. Now we have extracted all the predictions here, right? And here you will see the tensor 0001 0001, right? Now what I'm going to do here, I will now visualize the decision boundaries, right? So I will now visualize the decision boundaries and just a second, import lib dot pyplot. Yes, import as plt. Okay, yeah. And now I'm going to hit the enter button. So this this graph is created. Now you can see here the convert grid into tensor for prediction. Now here torch with torch no grade z equal to model reshape. We are reshaping it, and then we are plotting the data into the diagram. So perception decision boundary. Now see here x1 and x2. You can see here three dots 0 0 0 and 1, and here we have taken the tensor of 0 0 0 1. That means 3 times 0 and 1. So this is most accurate prediction that we have. You can see here it draws the prediction through a straight line. You can see here a straight line, and one dot is this side and three dots are here. So it is just like prediction, and here we have taken the tensor. You can see the tensor, and then here We have taken the losses, how much loss in each iteration, and then you can see this, the perceptron diagram. So this is accurately predicted, and we will see it, we will study it in more depth in our next upcoming videos. So if anything is not clear, so don't worry about that. But yeah, I recommend you to watch this video again. And if you have any doubt in today's session, then you can write down in the comment box. I will solve it, right? So guys, in our next upcoming video, we will go this perceptron and pyplot, perceptron and tensors in depth, right? So guys, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video.